Alright, let's jump right in. Sometimes the simplest things hold the greatest power. Imagine starting your day with nothing more than a glass of warm water and a slice of lemon, yet giving your body a natural detox, improving digestion, and even boosting your mood. Today, we're diving deep into the centuries-old ritual of lemon water, and why this humble drink might just be the reset button your body needs. Long before health fads filled social media, civilizations understood the cleansing power of citrus. Ancient Egyptians drank lemon-infused water to fight infections. Traditional Ayurvedic medicine taught that warm lemon water helps balance the body's energies, awakening digestion and flushing out toxins. This isn't just modern wellness, it's wisdom passed down for thousands of years. So, how does something so simple work? Let's break it down. The citric acid in lemons stimulates digestive enzymes, giving your liver a gentle nudge to flush out toxins more effectively. And when you drink lemon water, not just hydrating you, re-enhancing your body's ability to clean house from the inside out. Let's talk about the benefits you'll actually feel within days. Many people notice better digestion, less bloating, smoother metabolism, over time, clearer skin, thanks to hydration and vitamin C supporting collagen production. And don't underestimate the mood boost. That fresh citrus aroma can reduce stress and improve alertness. Studies even suggest lemon water helps support healthy weight management, not because it's magic, but because it keeps you hydrated, curbs cravings, and improves digestion. Here's where it gets interesting. The timing matters. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning is best. Warm, not boiling, not icy. Why? Because warm water helps your digestive system wake up gently, without stress. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass, or add slices if you prefer a milder flavor. And if you're consistent, that's where the transformation happens. Want to supercharge your detox? Add a few twists. Fresh ginger for extra anti-inflammatory power. Mint leaves for digestion and freshness. A teaspoon of raw honey if you need a soothing sweetness. Or cucumber slices for hydration and cooling. Each variation adds its own healing touch, making your morning ritual something to look forward to. Now, a quick reality check. Lemon water is powerful, but it's not a miracle cure. It won't erase years of poor diet overnight. And because lemons are acidic, frequent exposure can affect tooth enamel. The fix is simple. Drink through a straw, rinse your mouth after, and never brush teeth immediately after drinking. At its core, lemon water is a symbol of something bigger. It's a reminder that small, consistent habits can create meaningful change. It's not about detoxing once. It's about giving your body daily love and care. If you really want to amp up your lemon water game, consider these additional tips. First, go organic. When possible, choose organic lemons. Conventional lemons may have traces of pesticides and other chemicals which can counteract the health benefits of lemon water. Second, use filtered water. The quality of your water can impact the effectiveness of lemon water. Filtered or spring water tends to be less disruptive to your body compared to tap water. Third, listen to your body. Pay attention to how much lemon water your body needs. While most people benefit from 1 to 2 glasses daily, some may need more or less, depending on factors like diet, climate, and activity levels. Don't overdo it. Fourth, consult your healthcare provider. If you have any concerns or medical conditions, always consult your healthcare provider before incorporating lemon water into your routine, especially if you have sensitive teeth, digestive issues, or are taking medications. Give it at least a week to see the benefits of lemon water. It takes time for your body to adjust and experience the full effects. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Consistency is key. And sixth, combine with a healthy lifestyle. For the best results, pair your lemon water habit with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress-reducing practices like yoga or meditation. Lemon water is a fantastic addition, but it works best as part of a holistic approach to well-being. Remember, the true essence of lemon water lies in simplicity. It's about starting your day with intention, nourishing your body, and embracing the small joys that lead to a healthier, happier you. As you continue your journey towards better health and well-being, we encourage you to delve deeper into the world of wellness insights by exploring our platform. Our website is your go-to destination for a wealth of knowledge on various health topics. From nutrition to fitness and mental wellness, we've got you covered. For instance, if you're a fan of lemon water and its detoxifying benefits, we've got an entire section dedicated to detox. There's also a comprehensive section on weight loss where you can discover practical tips, effective strategies, and motivational resources to help you achieve your weight management goals. We understand that each person's journey is unique, which is why we offer personalized coaching programs tailored to your specific needs. Whether you want to kickstart your day with lemon water, explore different detox techniques, seek guidance on weight loss, or delve into other wellness topics, our platform has something for everyone. We strongly believe that knowledge is the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. Tools and guidance to empower you on your wellness journey. You can also engage with our vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share their experiences, tips, and support. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're here to guide and support you every step of the way. If you're ready to take the next step towards a healthier, happier you, visit our website and explore the world of possibilities that await you. Your journey to wellness starts here. Don't wait any longer. Start your journey towards a healthier, happier you today. Visit our website and discover a wealth of knowledge and tools to support your wellness goals. Thank you for tuning in. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this practice. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful health and wellness content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you did, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too. For any questions, comments, or suggestions you have, please drop them down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.